Hi, I'm Dave Stoudemeyer, and I'm with KAV Sports. We're a small startup, and we're trying to revolutionize the helmets. This is a custom helmet. Every single helmet is individually contoured to the head for the best possible safety and ventilation. These are all 3D printed. Back here we have some examples of the printers. And the way that this works, what we do is we get measurements of your head. This is something that can be done from home, or we can help virtually by measuring certain spots on the head. Then we make a computer model, and that model allows us to build a helmet which is unique. Not only is the overall size and shape for you, but the ventilation, the way that the airflow moves, and the exact depth and placement of the pads is all designed to be have the best possible comfort and weight. So check us out. We're at KAVsports.com, KAVsports.com.